Oh, we're gonna be celibate. I love you. Let's do this. Let's marry in a church. Having happily ever after. Oh my god.
It's really hard, you know. Yeah, you're faithful and you're wait. You know, you're gonna find that as a problem. But when it comes to the honeymoon and nothing is there, nada. What are you gonna do? After you don't marry, you don't pay money, you don't buy cake, you don't suck out tongue, you don't do everything.
Hey,
you're gonna sleep.
if me say me gonna be celibate until marriage, me take off my clothes, I take off my clothes and we look on each other nice and long.
Just to make sure that
to start it off.
Alright. Before we talk about the celibate conversation, let's just look at each other to make sure that we like it and we Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Belle. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified when my new videos are out. Yeah, wanna know on a regular, Kayla, of course, my sister. And our channel name is FlavourFools Adventure. Don't forget to check it out, yeah? Like, subscribe, become a new member of the family. So what I wanted to talk about is actually a photo I saw on Facebook saying that,
yes guys, it's a girls discussion.
yeah,
you're welcome to join, but girls are discussing, you know what I'm saying?
So it was that suppose you and your partner agreed to have no sex before marriage, and on the honeymoon you found out that he has no package, nothing that did they like,
Zilch.
zero,
Nuh-uh.
zero.
Nuh-uh at all.
No, we respect people's decision. It's fine with us if that's what you want to do. If you never got to do that, it's fine with us. Yeah. So what I wanted to say is, you know, really have to have to know whether or not the package small or the package big. You just have to find a way. Yeah, you have to find a way to know.
So guys, what my sister got try to say, or what she did say is, you know, you guys decide to be celibate until marriage. You know, no sex, no look, nothing. In this case, it seems there's no look, nothing need, and no look brush pan, nothing, no look. I don't know, but after the honeymoon, you find out something like this. Push off and right there, so. So look something here.
Just like catch your neighbor.
Yeah. So, what you wanna do? That's a full question. And we're gonna say, come up with some ways how you could have find out if you must somebody a private and hiding thing just because
There's nothing there. Zero.
zilch. Anyways, so how you feel there with somebody say you're celibate? I don't know how something look. Celibate no mean, it don't mean not to see, it just mean not to touch.
Yes.
Yes.
So you can go the
That means
plain way and just ask him to see it. Tell him say I want to see it. Like be, you know, say I want to see. Yeah, you can be.
Me
You
not
can be
ask him.
straightforward. Come on now.
Me not ask him. Me I go see it. Me not ask him.
You can be straightforward.
Guys, you have the shower. Go in the man, just bathe with him. You must buck it up. If you know why you shower with him, go in there when him use the bathroom. Just if you have a lock, you have some easy bathroom door for picking up. You just put one spoon or one fat bottom in there and turn it and it pull. You just pull that and push in. You will see what you need to see. Or wait till him asleep and draft him underpants.
Wait, alright. When you go up on a beach day, look if him wear a brief or him wear a shorts for hide it. You see if him wear shorts for hide it now, you just walk past him and rub, you know, just brush against him. You don't have to use your hand, use your foot and take time brush against him. So you must feel, you know.
I don't want to feel it. Suppose my brush there, I'm not sure if I feel nothing. I want to see it. I go in, I bust in for him, I have to see it. If me say me go celebrate with you, more I know when me go take after me done the celibacy. So, yeah, ladies, same as all, on the honeymoon, you find out say look so. Suppose on the honeymoon is something with big stuff. So, but you couldn't manage. You have to peep on it, man.
You have to run well left that.
I say, either way, you have to run. Divorce after that, the expensive when they, ladies, come on. Step up on your game. Sneak in on the man, them and look on them stuff.
Or walk past and feeling what brush against him.
I don't want
act like you not see him and just
suppose him stuff socks in there.
You're gonna know whether it's socks or not.
Woman stuff socks in them breasts. Does men stuff socks in their brief when they got it?
No, alright, then the thing is, you know, when they go on the beach, you know, and a man, you know, confident. You not have to be confident, but you know, him feel like he might wear a brief today.
If he wear shorts, you gotta just assume say man cover him.
Yes, because you can't really see. So say him have on a brief now, you know the thing just pack up on eye, you know.
That's why I support
the ball. Yes, so you know. So if him have on a shorts now, it kinda hard to see whether or not, you know, it's a regular size or not.
If you don't see it in the shorts or know if a regular size, do you automatically assume that it is something like a big?
Yes, so we have to check. So walk past and brush.
Guys, which one you feel better? For brush or for actually sneaking plan?
Or for tell him.
Sneaking plan.
Or for tell him. So you want.
Oh, it's go weird. Oh, we're gonna be celibate. I love you. Let's do this. Let's marry in a church. Having happily ever after. Oh my God.
It's a really hard, you know. Yeah, you're faithful and you're wait. You know, you're gonna find that as a problem. But when it comes to the honeymoon and nothing is there, nada, what are you gonna do? After you done married, you don't pay money, you don't buy cake, you don't suck out tongue, you don't do everything.
Hey,
you gonna sleep.
If me say I'm gonna be celibate until marriage, me take off my clothes, I take off my clothes and we look on each other nice and long.
Just to make sure that
we start it off.
Alright, before we talk about the celibate conversation, let's just look at each other to make sure that we like it and we can go with it.
Yes. So guys, what you would think? Like, what are other ways that you can find to sneak in on him, you know? Drop him shots when him there at the beach?
Yeah, or on the day in a pool, you know, like him there in my yard, you know. On the day in a
maybe I just go there and grab. You feel me? I brush my hand past it, sir?
Listen, remember say other people don't really want it look, but remember some people deal with stuff differently. Some people will be bold and say I want to see that because such and such, and I don't want to left you after that because you want me is a girl way, I want to see it, and if I can't see it, I not do this with you. Or if I find out so nothing not dead here,
point blank period.
Some we afraid for asking. Remember that people are different.
Guys, it could have been too big or too small. Just look on him jump.
Look, ask, slide past.
No, just squeeze.
Remember, so when you slide past, you're gonna know if you're real or fake. You know, it's too tough. You know that are socks, like literally. Just roll up the socks them together.
Guys, just go so and then catch.
You say a great.
Yes. So if me go so and I hear me grab me, I say wait there. Oh, go on.
So guys, those are our methods on checking if he has a pinky or, you know, the whole nine.
A pinky
or the whole
a pen or the whole 20.
The gozo.
The gozo or the sugar. The sugar stick or the bam bam stick. The sugar cane or the bam bam stick. No, they must be
up and ready. Non-existent.
Strong and long. Rangatang. Well, no, listen to ya. These are just jokes and talking and giggling.
Yeah, guys, I
Anyways.
just wanted to talk about this because I saw it online and not the first I see it and not the second
And
time I
if
see
you
it.
want more of them talking video here where we bring up matters we'll sit
Just
online and
like.
discuss, then like please, so we can know what you guys want. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, so
Yes. So me and my good body sister out. Like, subscribe, share. We love you. Mwah.